everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a TikTok trend called white tee, and it's so easy to learn and it's also really fun to do. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. Okay, so this video is mirrored, so it's much easier for you to learn, and the very first thing we're gonna do is do like a small jump, and our legs, we're gonna separate them and we're gonna bend our knees down. I know it looks really weird, but we're just gonna go like this and our hands are gonna go down. So once we're here, we're gonna twist our right leg. So basically how we're gonna do that is we're gonna twist our toe and we're gonna put our leg on our toe, and our knee is gonna go like inwards. And also, so that it's easier for you, you just have to straighten this leg a little bit. So you go down and then we're gonna go up, and our hand is gonna do like this, like as if we were pulling ourselves up. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna go down, up, and then up, and then down. Okay, so once again, down, up, down. Okay, so once again, down, up, down. So what our other leg does is basically just the same thing. We're gonna stand on our toes and then we're just gonna go back down. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up and we're gonna step forward with our right leg, and we're gonna do this move. So this is a move you're gonna see in a lot of dances, and basically it's really easy to do. You're just gonna like twist your legs a little bit and you're gonna bend them just like this move. So the only thing you do is just bend your legs a little bit and just go forward, and your hands, you're gonna cross them and you're gonna straighten them. So once again, this is the only thing you do. It's like really easy. You just go forward and then back. Once again, forward and then back. Okay, and when you go back, you're just gonna clap if you want to. Like, not everyone does this, but if you want to, you can go forward and then you clap. Okay, so from the beginning, down, up, down, and then step forward, and then clap. Okay, once again, down, up, down, go forward, and clap. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna separate our legs again, and we're gonna go with our right hand, we're gonna go forward like that. So if you look at it from the side, you're just gonna move forward a little bit as if you were pulling forward. So your hand just opens and closes. Okay, so 1, 2, and then you're gonna use your other hand and you're gonna do it with both hands. So it's gonna go like this, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So you just repeat the same move twice, but like at the second time, you're just gonna add your other hand, and it's gonna look like this, 1, 2. Okay, so after this, your hands are gonna go down and you're gonna do like a small circle, just like that, just really easy. A small circle. You can go like this side or this side, it doesn't really matter, just how it's more comfy for you, then that's how you do it. So you're just gonna do a small circle, and then I'm gonna show you like the last moves because we don't really have much left, and then we're just gonna do it from the beginning. So the circle, and then we're gonna flip our hair. So we're gonna do it first with our right hand and then with our left hand. Okay, so 1, 2, and then what we're gonna do, this, like, everyone does it differently, but how I do it is basically I just do like a small circle and just like move backwards, because everyone like finishes just walking backwards. So you can like just turn or do whatever you want, but how I do it is basically I just do this and then like I go backwards, so like I swing myself with my arms. So how you do it, if you want to do it this way, is basically you just put your hand over here and then it like slides like this. And you're just gonna do it like with a lot of force, so you're gonna like swing yourself. And then you're just gonna walk backwards, and that's the whole dance. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna go slow, so that like you remember everything, and then we're gonna go faster, and that's it. And then like what you have left is just to practice and practice, and you can do the dance. So first, let's go slow. So we're gonna go down, up, down, and step, and clap, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then you walk backwards and do whatever you want. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Okay, so let's go. Down, up, down, and step, and clap, and 1, 2, circle, and 1, 2, swing. And you walk back, and that's it. That's the whole dance. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!